Hi, I'm Joe Barclay. In case we haven't met, I help people make money online. I'm talking about everyday people like you and me, without needing any special skills, big investment, or years of prior experience. What I share is not about chasing trends or getting lucky. It's about using simple, proven systems that help you generate daily traffic, get high quality leads, and build consistent income online using automation. If you're looking at getting started making money online, or if you've been at it for a while, but not having the success you hope for, I can help you. As long as you are coachable and can follow simple steps, and you are willing to put in a few minutes a day consistently, you can start making more money faster than you think. I've been making money online almost since the start of the internet. I've been doing it full time since 2002. And I've been successful in both network marketing and affiliate marketing. Bottom line, I know what works and I know what doesn't. I invite you to download a free copy of my ebook, The Ultimate Make Money Online Cheat Sheet. In this free ebook, you will discover the exact steps to make money online in your first 24 hours, again, even if you have zero experience. What's in the cheat sheet works whether you are in network marketing, affiliate marketing, or any other good online business. And if you run a traditional brick and mortar type business and want to do business online, it's for you too. The information in the cheat sheet is based on my many years of experience making money online. I share the most important things you need to know about making money online faster and easier, and building long-term passive or residual income too. And yes, I apply these things every day in my own business. Just some of what you will learn in the free cheat sheet includes the importance of goals and commitment when it comes to making more money. And this is critical. Not getting these two concepts right is where too many marketers start out wrong. It's absolutely vital that you have realistic goals and commitment. I will help you understand why so many people fail in the make money online industry so that you are not one of those statistics. I've found that making money online can be one of the easiest things you have ever done if you do it right. Next, I'll share how you need to start out right by selecting the right business to build. And trust me, it's not what you think. You've got to do this properly. Then we'll move on to online marketing systems. More than anything else, your success will depend on the marketing system you use, and the right system is how you leverage your time too. It's how we teach people to be successful, working just minutes a day. Seriously, just minutes a day. I'll share my most effective marketing strategy, as well as 100% free marketing techniques to build your business online. And just so you know, what so many online marketers call a great lead source is not a marketing strategy. Take my word for it. Purchased leads are never as effective as the leads you generate yourself, so don't waste your time or waste your money. But probably the most important thing I will share is how to brand and promote you, rather than just pitching your business like most others do. When you get really good at branding and promoting you, and it's called attraction marketing, then you will have people reaching out to you instead of you chasing them. With this free ebook, you'll learn what you should look for in training and mentoring to make more money online also. Here's the thing. The lack of quality training and mentoring is what holds most people back today. And most companies really fall flat here. I'll help you know what you really need and where to find it. And then lastly, in Chapter 7, I reveal the key to making money online in your first 24 hours. And it's unbelievably simple. So if you're serious about making money online and ready to take action, now is your time. Download your free copy of the ebook and get started today. Go to makemoneycheatsheet.com. Grab your copy of the ebook now. I'm not sure how much longer I will be able to offer it for free. Hey, thanks for watching. We'll talk soon.